It finally arrived. It arrived. This is the front right, or driver's side, passenger side in the front. We're gonna do the right side, driver's side first. So let's jack it up and disassemble it. So last time I was trying to lower my arm, car with some springs. I was trying to take out the wiper blades, but I just couldn't. And I don't know how, they were just so stubborn. It's still stubborn. But I think I got it this time. I took out some clips. Took one right there, there's one right here, and then one right here, one right here. And I think that should take out this whole cover and give me access to the struts. You already know how to pull out the big light. Damn, because it's already dark. Front coilover on the driver's side is installed. It took me a bit while because I had to figure some stuff out, but I got it. So let's do the other side now. Y'all just look at the difference. Damn, like this big and this one's bigger. That's not a good comparison, but whatever. But damn, it looks very different. So I put this one on, but right now it doesn't look low because this part's lifted up. But just wait on it. Just wait on it. Y'all see. Honestly, I didn't think it was gonna take this long, but I guess, oh well. But let's get this other side done. All right, this is what I gotta do, because I don't think I explained it on the other side. So I gotta take out this, take out this one, this clip, and these two bolts, and also the 3 bolts or nuts on top, and those will be free. And I can take it out just by pulling it. So guys, bad news, it's gonna start raining. So I gotta pack up, clean up right now. Oh, I don't want to put this stuff back up. Dang. GG's. So I'll catch you tomorrow. It's a new day, so that means we can finish the Corolla by installing coilovers. I don't know if y'all can see, but it's gonna rain on me. It's starting to rain again. God dang it.